Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, just tap on it and here find personalization settings. Let's enter. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and here we've been transferred to the list of available pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Of course, if you want, you can enter the gallery and you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. In order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to tap on it, so it will appear on the full screen. You can also swipe in order to check other options, and those are really pretty, so it's quite hard to decide. However, if you will make your decision, simply tap on Set As, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I will choose both options. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.